Sick of dealing with tangled aux cables every time you get in your car? Or maybe you're stuck with that crackling FM signal that cuts out every 5 minutes? Look, I get it. I've tested a ton of these Bluetooth adapters, and I'm going to show you the 5 best Bluetooth adapters that actually work. Everything from budget picks to the fancy stuff with studio quality audio. All the links are down in the description if you want to grab any of these. All right, let's dive in. So kicking things off at number 5, we've got the Joy Room Bluetooth car adapter. And honestly, the charging power on this thing is kind of ridiculous. If you've ever been on a road trip where everyone's fighting over one charging port, this completely fixes that problem. Here's what's different about this one. It mounts on your air vent instead of sitting down in the cigarette lighter, which means everything's right at eye level. You can change songs, adjust volume, whatever you need without looking down. Way safer, especially if you're the type who gets distracted easily. Now let's talk charging. 3 ports total. 1 USB-C that does 60 watts. Yeah, you can charge a laptop with that. Then 2 USB-A ports at 18 watts each. So you're looking at 96 watts altogether. Charge your phone, your passenger's phone, maybe a tablet in the back seat, all at the same time. No slowdown. It's running Bluetooth 6.0, which is the newest version, so your connection stays solid. And you get 2 ways to use it. Old car with no aux port? Use it as an FM transmitter. Got an aux port? Plug in directly with the cable they include and you get perfect sound with 0 static. Oh, and the LED lights are actually useful at night when you're trying to find the charging ports in the dark. But here's the thing. That air vent mount doesn't work perfectly with every car. If you've got those standard horizontal vents, you're fine. But some cars have weird round vents or unusual designs, and it might not grip as tight as you'd want. Just something to think about. Number 4 is the new Laxi Bluetooth car adapter. This one's been around for a while, and it's still selling like crazy because it just does everything you need without costing a fortune. The screen's 1.44 inches, shows caller ID, song names, FM frequency, all that. But the coolest part? It shows your car battery voltage, which sounds boring until your battery starts dying and this thing warns you before you're stuck in a parking lot somewhere. That bendy neck is clutch. Twist it however you want so you can actually see the screen. Set it once, forget about it.
Bluetooth 5.4 keeps everything connected, and you've got options for playing music. Bluetooth, FM, aux cable, or throw a micro SD card in there. Whatever works for you. 2 USB ports for charging. The noise cancellation actually works. I've been on the highway doing 75 and people couldn't tell I was in a car. The catch with this one, it's FM, so you need to find a clear station. In big cities with a million radio stations, you might get some static here and there. Takes maybe 2 minutes to find the right frequency, then you're golden. For the price though, this thing's a steal. Number 3, Syncwire Bluetooth car adapter. This is the one you get if you want something that looks good and sounds better. That LED display catches everyone's eye. But check this out. There's actually a switch to turn the light off. Hate bright lights at night? Turn it off. Want it on during the day? Flip it back. Such a simple thing, but most adapters don't give you that option. Charging's at 48 watts total. USB-C does 36 watts, USB-A does 12. Fast charge your phone, power something else at the same time, no problem. The audio quality though, that's where Syncwire really shines. They've got this bass enhancement built in. If you listen to hip-hop, electronic music, anything with heavy bass, you'll actually hear the difference. Most FM transmitters sound kind of flat. This one doesn't. You can plug a USB drive in and play music straight from that. Great if you've got playlists already downloaded or audiobooks or whatever. Bluetooth 5.4 means the latest tech. Super stable connection, barely any lag. Calls sound good too, with the noise filtering. The downside? Same as any FM transmitter. You need a clear frequency. In areas packed with radio stations, you might need to switch around sometimes. But the bass boost and better audio quality make up for it once you find your spot. Coming in at number 2, COMSOON Bluetooth car adapter. This is my pick if you want something you can take anywhere. The battery lasts 16 hours. I'm talking use it all week without charging. Road trip across 3 states? Still going. Forgot to charge it last night? Doesn't matter. This kind of battery life means you literally never think about it. Noise cancellation is seriously good. I've done calls on the freeway, windows cracked, radio on, and people had no idea I wasn't sitting at my desk. It just cuts out everything. Wind, road noise, engine, all of it. 2 phones can connect at once. So if you share a car or you want music from one phone and calls from another, it switches between them automatically. But here's what makes this different. You're not stuck using it in just your car. Take it inside. Plug it into your home stereo. Use it with headphones. It's got that standard 3.5mm aux connection, so it works with basically anything. One device, use it everywhere. That's real value. Calls work great. Music sounds clean, no weird compression issues. Only thing is, you gotta remember to charge it. It's not pulling power from your car like the USB ones, but honestly, the battery lasts so long, it's not really a problem. Just keep the charging cable in your car if you're worried about it. Number 1. UGREEN Bluetooth car adapter. If audio quality actually matters to you, like really matters, this is what you want. Let me explain LDAC real quick. It's a codec that sends 3 times more data than regular Bluetooth. What does that mean in English? Your music sounds the way it's supposed to. Full detail, deep bass, clear highs, none of that compressed junk. Android users with high-quality files will absolutely notice the difference. The AI noise canceling is insane. It doesn't just block noise. It listens to what's happening around you and adjusts constantly. Your calls sound like you're sitting in a quiet room no matter where you're actually driving. Battery goes 15 to 17 hours. That's weeks of commuting before you plug it in. 2 phones can pair. Switching between them is smooth. Pause one, play the other. It just works. Charges with USB-C. Fast charging gets you full battery in like 2 hours. And you can use it while it's charging. So even if you space out and forget, just plug it in. The 3.5mm connection works everywhere. Car stereo, home speakers, studio headphones, whatever you've got. It's high-res audio certified too. That's not marketing. That's an actual professional standard. The real talk though, this is the most expensive one on the list. But you're getting Bluetooth 6.0, LDAC codec, AI noise canceling, professional audio quality. If you're in your car hours every day and you care about what you're listening to, this pays for itself. Those are the 5 best Bluetooth car adapters you can buy right now. The links for every single one of these are down in the description. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.